Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a hard box just like this one here. This model is at the intermediate level, but it's actually very easy to do, you just have to pay attention and be precise. You can make this as an origami, but for a better result I recommend using glue to reinforce everything. This way is no longer an origami, it's a paper craft, but it's much easier. And all you need to do this is one paper square. You can use any size and any type. In this video I'm going to use 20 by 20 centimeters, 8 by 8 inches, and origami paper. With the hard color facing down, our first step is to fold in half horizontally. To do that, bring the bottom side up and make a crease. Undo. Now we need to fold in half again, but vertically. Now bring the right side to the left. Make a crease again. And undo. Now bring both sides to the middle, dividing into 4. If you want, you can choose to bring the top and bottom side to the middle instead. The important thing is to divide into 4. The right side is done. Let's repeat the same on the left. And that's it. Now in this position, we have to fold only the first one quarter of the top in half. So bring the top to the first crease, the first horizontal crease. Reinforce and bring the same fold down. Now we need to make this mark by bringing the bottom side to the top. Undo and unfold only once on top. Okay, turn the paper over. In here we have to bring each of the top halves to the middle, first the one on the right, then the one on the left, as if you're going to fold two squares in half diagonally. So as I said, start on the right side, bring half of the top to the middle, reinforce, and repeat on the other side. Okay, now turn it over in this position. Right here we have an intersection. Using this as a guide, we need to fold the bottom corner to this point. You'll see that we have part of the heart made and two white triangles on the sides. Pay attention to the next step. Hold the paper like this to make it easier. Unfold the first layer on the right and leave the line on it horizontal, aligning on top of the last fold we made. Once done, you can flatten and reinforce the lines. So now we have this corner. Repeat the same on the other side. Just open the layer and flatten the now horizontal crease on top of the last fold. Right. Go back to the previous position and start on the left side. On top we have this horizontal that we need to bring to the middle, folding a new diagonal. If you want another reference, you'll see that the corners up here are creating a small triangle on top. That means that is right. Repeat on the other side. and leave it like this for now. Well, on the other side, let's start on the right. Here we have this small vertical crease. We have to extend the same line to the bottom. So just fold first on the existing crease, then flatten the rest. Okay, repeat the same on the other side. First fold the corner up here and reinforce. Using the first horizontal on top, let's bring the bottom side up, folding in half what is below. Now create a new horizontal crease right here on the bottom of the previous fold. So just bring the paper down, and as you can see, the corners are aligned. Again, that means it's right. Unfold last one. Now using the corner up here as a guide, again we have to fold a new vertical crease. So fold right on the corner and bring the right side to the middle. Make it really sharp. Undo and do the same on the other side. Right, now let's make the last details. Starting on the left side right in the corner, you see, here we have a triangle. We need to fold the same triangle in half. To do that, fold one diagonal edge to the other, and keep the new crease inside, just like this. Reinforce if necessary, and this corner is okay. Let's do the same on the other. Again, bring both diagonals of the triangle together. Reinforce and undo. The top is done for now. On the other side we need to do almost the same, but now we need to fold in half diagonally the squares. So bring two sides together, but this time don't fold the layer on front, the rectangle. Just close like this. Keep the rectangle unfold. And do the same on the other. Now that it's all done, you could fold each one of the corners creating a lock. This way would be like an origami, but it's very fragile. So, as I said at the beginning, I recommend that you use glue. Pass a little bit here behind the rectangle. Then repeat on the other side. And glue the corners. In the other two, start the same way, gluing from the inside. If you want, you can glue the side layer too. And lastly, the corner. Repeat all of this in the last one. Put a little glue behind the heart too. And our paper craft heart box is ready! As I said, maybe it's intermediate level. I'm sure some of you found it very easy, others found it very difficult, but that's the idea and I hope you all enjoy it. After you have mastered it, you can vary the colors and the materials also, creating even better results. I hope you like it. Remember to click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, see you next time!